friends, welcome back to Meet the Pearts. It's your girl Nadia. Hope you have been praying, giving God thanks for life and for all that He has been doing for you, your family, and your friends. So, over on this channel, I'll be posting most of the family stuff, and on the other channel, the Cleaning Mommy, I will be doing the cleaning videos. I hope you like it, guys. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Wake up, cool off. Wake up and cool off. Lay down, don't get up yet. Just cool off. School time. Don't go back to sleep. Cool off and then start to cry. Yes? Yes? Wake up, school time. Maya? Wake up, school time. Wake up and cool off. Say the prayer. Okay? Hey, Maya? Wake up and cool off. Say the prayer.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears good.
In the room talking about, I don't want to go to school. Yeah, I'm cold.
That's horrible. School's a prison to me.
School's at prison?
Yeah.
At least have prison break.
No, we don't.
Mm-hmm.
Going just 10 minutes.
When school over, it's prison break.
Prison breaks feel like 5 seconds. You walk out, you walk back in. Because they allow you to look at the sun once and then come back.
That's the
Jessica, wake up your boys again because we're in hurry. Let's make it up there.
Well, the mom, this is how we're react. She wake us up, right? We're still half asleep. You agree? Go back.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
can I in the car.
You can take a 5 minute nap in the car.
Yeah, hurry. Wait, why are you supposed to up?
That's a far from me. Just even a week. A week, I think. Or probably not. I don't know. Just not going to John. I go to the room, Jessica. Justin,
This is my favorite.
say a prayer, you guys. Tidy up your room. Come and brush your teeth.
This is my favorite foot.
Thanks.
Oh, dumb. That's so beautiful.
Mom, I was going to have that camera yesterday. So now yesterday. Can't hear you. Oh, that's a good thing.
Okay. You know I like to learn because it's boiling. That's my
Huh? Johnny's not what? Where? Tell him to say his prayer first. Huh? Jordan, say your prayer. Then get up just so you can make up your bed. I said everybody to bed earlier last night. No, we never got their business that. Remember it's school morning. When it's school time, I'll go bed early.
I can almost smell it.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop. Don't you stop. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship
over this way.
friendship.
Come over this way, Jemaya. Over this way. Come,
All the
Jordan.
storms and sunny days, together we'll
Just move
walk
over to the
this
way.
road, hand in hand.
As the kids go to school and we go about our daily business, we ask that you cover, guide, protect, and keep us safe and bring us back home safe to each other. Bless us all and guide the car safely to its journey and back. We ask in your most righteous and holy name.
Amen. Maya lunch bag. Give me a bag, Maya. Give me a bag. Hmm? Yeah, Maya. So we're off to school with Maya and Jordan.
Outside.
Oh, that's not working. This door, class. In here? She said that's where they are now. My classmates.
Oh, this is where they are now.
My missed our class. Why you crying? What's wrong? Huh? Ma crying? Which what grade you in? What grade you in? Grade 2? And he's in grade 1. Come on, nobody cry. Come on, first on beside him. Maya keep your company here. Nobody cry. She just going to class and then she ever see you on break time and lunch time here. Nobody class. Nobody cry. Hush. Hush. Nobody cry, man. After your lunch money, put it where you gonna put it. When teacher come and remind him to give teacher lunch money here, Maya. Him. Don't cry. See, I have one friend beside you here. And nobody cry. Hush. Not cry here. What's your name? You know Maya? You know Jemaya? See your classmate? So don't cry here. Alright, go on across big sister. Hug him up. Oh. Hush. Alright, Maya, here. Put your lunch. Put your bag behind you. Where are you gonna put your bag here, son? Talk. No stay in the class until the teacher come. Guys, sit down and keep him company here. Talk to him, because he's sad. Come and talk to your classmate. Talk to him because he's sad. You have to be each other company here. Talk to Oshin. Oshin is sad. Here? Bye, Maya. Jessica and Justin gone to school.